Hey guys, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's doing well and having a great day so far. Of course, before I jump into what I want to share with you today, I just need to disclose that anything I do share is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial advice, as it is certainly not. So I want to take an opportunity and share with you this move that I found on the Euro US dollar. Now this week I want to focus on some longer term style trading. And the reason I want to do that is, as I evolved into the trader I am today, I really found that swing trading and position trading were better for me because they rewarded me with a higher amount of money, and they were also able to give me more time freedom, and that was really my objective when I became a trader. My objective was to have freedom. So with that, I want to share with you today a couple of swing position trade opportunities that has transpired, and we're going to go over that all week this week. We're going to look at trades you could have taken, very in a very passive manner that would have produced very massively. So this particular example is on the Euro US dollar currency pair. So with that being said, we just waited for our Hawkeye setup. And as that setup transpired, we knew where and when it was time to get into this trade. And then we knew where and when it was time to start booking profit and get out of this trade. So if we look over to the left here, the daily screen, where I've pinned our ATRs to is the proper entry. This entry meets the criteria set forth here at Hawkeye. And basically all we had to do was sit back and relax, let it do its thing. And that's exactly what it did. So we could see on a weekly chart that we are leaving a demand zone with some good momentum. And then on a monthly chart, we are starting to test monthly supply. So it's time to start peeling off this position right where it's at right now. Now, you have a couple choices here. You could close out the entire position, or you could peel off a good portion of it, make sure your stop is in at least break even or better, and see if the momentum carries it any further. Now, the United States dollar has been beaten up pretty heavily, and that's what's really driving the euro and other currencies that are paired against it. So it leaves you the opportunity to decide what you want to do. But right where the price sits right now is a really firm area where I would exit a swinger position trade on this particular currency pair, or at least get my stop into break even or the profit a little bit so that I know I'm minimizing any downside potential. So that's this opportunity here. I want to show it to you. This transpired just a few weeks ago. This has been in the works for about a month, about 4 weeks at this point in time. But this was so easily identifiable. It was a low risk, high reward entry opportunity that you could really have done very well on. And this is really part of what we offer here at Hawkeye. You can build your trade plan however it best fits your life. And for me, it's about swing trading and position trading because it really gives me the freedom to do what I want with the rest of my time. So I want to just take an opportunity and share this with you. This is something I kind of picked for today and a topic I want to just touch on. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. And what does that mean? Listen, we are all our own unique, self-made individuals. We are self-made in the choices we make. We are self-made in the decisions we make. Listen, be you. Do you. You know what? At the end of the day, you have to look in the mirror and be happy with yourself. And if you're not, then you have to decide that you want to make a change. Don't make a change to be somebody else. We can learn from people. But at the end of the day, you have to be loyal to you. You as a person, you as a human being, because guess what? You're special. You are. Each and every one of us are special in our own ways. And with that, you don't have to change for somebody else to like you. And I want you to just keep this in perspective. This year has been a particularly difficult year for a lot of people, financially, emotionally. It's just been a rough year with a lot that has transpired. And you know what? You have to sometimes just take a moment, step back, and realize that in the big picture, we're blessed. If we have our health, if we have a roof over our head, if we have something warm to eat, guys, listen, some have more, some have less. It doesn't matter how much you have. What matters is that you're happy on the inside. And that's what's really, really important. And that's my message I want to share with you today. So guys, with that being said, if you're already a Hawkeye member, I hope you're taking great advantage of everything we have to offer here at Hawkeye Traders. I mean, there really is a plethora of knowledge and methodology to be shared. If you are not yet, that's okay. I encourage you to click the link below. Check out the Project V-Swarm webinar. This webinar is going to elaborate on how we utilize our tools, from a intraday basis to a position style basis. You can do pretty much Set up your trading however you want, and our tools will add an immense amount of value for you. Remember something: volume precedes price action. Price action is reactive to supply and demand. Understanding those things and the ways the market move are really the key to being a successful and profitable, consistent trader. So with that, guys, I'll let you go. Any questions, comments, or concerns, always feel free to shoot us an email or call us at support. But once again, I encourage you to click the link below. Check out the Project V-Swarm webinar. It's well worth your time. Have a great day, a blessed day, a profitable day. Happy holidays, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.